Dear friends, let us discuss GATE general aptitude questions from the previous year GATE question papers. The first question: Ravi had dash younger brother who taught at dash university. He was widely regarded as dash honorable man. Select the option with the correct sequence of articles to fill in the blanks. For the first one, the answer is Ravi had a younger brother because the younger word does not start with the vowels a, e, I, o, u. For the second one, though the university word starts with the vowel u, but the sound it starts with the consonant university y, o, like that. So the answer is taught at a university. He was widely regarded as honorable man. Though the word starts with H, H is silent here, so the answer is an. So, what is the right option for this question is option A. Next question: the CEO's decision to downsize the workforce was considered myopic because it sacrificed the long term stability to accommodate short term gains. Select the most appropriate option that can replace the word myopic without changing the meaning of the sentence. Out of these four options, short sighted will be the right word to replace myopic because visionary will not be the right word because the decision was taken to accommodate short term gains by compromising long term stability. So, the four options visionary, short sighted, progressive, innovative. The short sighted is the right answer. So, option B. So, option B is the right answer. Next question: the average marks obtained by a class in an examination were calculated as 30.8. However, while checking the marks entered, the teacher found that the marks of one student were entered incorrectly as 24 instead of 42. After correcting the marks, the average becomes 31.4. How many students does the class have? The four options are 25, 28, 30, 32. Let us try to find the solution for this problem. Assume x is equal to the total marks of all the students in the class and n is the number of students in the class. So, before correction, the average was 30.8. So, x by n is equal to 30.8. After correction, the average was 31.4. What is the correction actually? 24 instead of 42. That means 42 minus 24, 18. That 18 should be added to the total. So x plus 18 divided by n is equal to 31.4. When you subtract this equation from this equation, the denominator is same. The numerator will become x plus 18 minus x. The right side 31.4 minus 30.8, it will become 0.6. So the left side x and minus x will be cancelled. So it will become 18 by n is equal to 0.6. Now we can write n into 0.6 is equal to 18. So n is equal to 18 by 0.6. The answer is 30. That is option C. Hence, option A is the right answer. Next question. Consider the relationship among P, Q, R, S and T. P is the brother of Q. S is the daughter of Q. T is the sister of S. R is the mother of Q. The following statements are made based on the relationship given above. R is the grandmother of S. P is the uncle of S and T. Third option, R has only one son. Fourth option, Q has only one daughter. Which one of the following options is correct? Let us see one by one. What is option 1? R is the grandmother of S. So what is the relationship between R and S? So S is the daughter of Q and R is the mother of Q. So the option 1 is true. The second option, P is the uncle of S and T. So what is the relationship between P and S and T? S is the daughter of Q and T is the sister of S. So that means S and T are daughters of Q. So P is the brother of Q. So from this we can come to the conclusion P is the uncle of S and T. Third option, R has only one son. From the given statements we cannot conclude third option is true. And fourth option, Q has only one daughter. Again, from the given options, from the given statements, we cannot conclude the fourth option is true. So, the option A, both 1 and 2 are true, is the correct answer. Next question. Despite his initial hesitation, Rahman's dash to contribute to the success of the project never wavered. Select the most appropriate option to complete the above sentence. The first option, ambivalence. Ambivalence means confused state. So this word will not be the right answer. Satisfaction, you know the meaning very well. It will not be the right answer. Resolve means taking a determination, that is, he is determined. Revolve means that means earth revolves around the sun like that. So the suitable word is resolve. That is Regumon's resolve to contribute to the success of the project never wavered. So the option C is the right answer. Hence the right answer is option C. Next question. Let P1 and P2 denote two arbitrary prime numbers. Which one of the following statements is correct for all values of P1 and P2? Option A, P1 plus P2 is not a prime number. Option B, P1 multiplied by P2 is not a prime number. Option C, P1 plus P2 plus 1 is a prime number. Option D, P1 multiplied by P2 plus 1 is a prime number. In this problem, the crux of the solution is the statement is correct for all values of P1 and P2. So, for a sample of any two prime numbers, if we prove that the statement is false, then we can avoid that option. Let us take the sample of two prime numbers. For example, 2 and 11. 2 plus 11 is equal to 13 is a prime number, but option A states that P1 plus P2 is not a prime number, so option A false. 2 into 11 is equal to 22 is not a prime number. Option B also states that P1 multiplied by P2 is not a prime number, so B is true. Third option, 2 plus 11 plus 1 is equal to 14 is not a prime number, but option C states that it is a prime number, so C is also false. Option D, 2 into 7 plus 1 is equal to 15 is not a prime number, but option D states that it is a prime number, so option D is also false. So the right option is option B. Let us try to solve this exercise problem.